Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best oil drain pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Capri Tools Portable Oil Drain Pan. A drain pan's a drain pan, right? On occasion, yes, explaining why we're leading with one of the highest rated pans on Amazon. A full 98% of the 650+ respondents gave this thing 4 or 5 stars, citing its solid build quality and predictable action of the spout when disposing of old oil. Several customers also claim the tub's design helps prevent splatter, something your author would love to see in action. Cleaning up drops caused by the initial rush of oil is very annoying. Its 4.5-gallon capacity should be more than enough for the vast majority of consumer-grade vehicles. In fact, with the average vehicle holding between 6 to 8 quarts of oil, there's enough room in this thing for the remnants of 2 oil changes, perfect for when you plan to recycle the first lot but completely blanked until 3 months later when it's time for another service. Pros: high capacity, solid construction. Cons: choosing between black and green. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lumax 15 Quart Drainmaster. Here's a good option that keeps the oil contained in a sealed environment until you can bring it to the depot for disposal or recycling. The red circle spins off like a top to reveal a mash-type grid underneath through which the old oil drains into the container. This has the added bonus of preventing your car's drain plug from getting lost in the muck. This should mean there's little or no mess to clean up topside. A few customers left bad reviews because the used oil leaked out of the 8-inch red lid area, making a mess. It isn't entirely clear if this is a design issue or, user error. In any event, make sure the red cap is screwed on tightly before storing it in an upright position. Pros: wide mouth mesh keeps the drain plug out of the oil. Cons: tighten that cap. Number 3. Our third best pick is OEM Tools Low Profile Oil Drain Pan. One of our editors, kudos if you can guess which one, owns a tattered Mazda Miata that sits a lot closer to terra firma than it did after rolling out of the factory in Hiroshima. You can guess amongst yourselves if this is a result of a lowering kit or years of neglect. This oil drain pan would be the perfect selection, then, with dimensions sized just right for sliding under low vehicles. In fact, it is less than 3 inches high. Naturally, this does limit oil capacity, so be sure you've got a couple of these things on hand if your car's thirst outquenches that of this pan. Pros: great for low cars or any bike. Cons: very small capacity. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ATD Tools Black Drain Pan. This one's markedly similar to the unit from Capri that kicked off our list. Round and deep with a spout and some handles, its anti-splash lip should contain fluid splatter during the initial pour and while moving the thing around. Over 1,200 real-world customers have given this pan good marks, praising its ability to catch spills before they happen and the overall sturdiness. Hilariously, some people have had a bit of fun with their reviews, tossing in a good dose of flippant humor, which is always in ample supply at TTAC. Pros: affordable and well-reviewed. Cons: cap that spout to avoid drips. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Lumax Plastic Oil Drain Pan. Constructed of tough polyethylene material, the seller asserts this oil pan is impervious to oil and gasoline, which makes it perfect for a range of jobs. Actually, most of the pans on this list hold up to both of those fluids, but your author simply enjoys it when someone uses the word impervious. A wire loop handle is supposed to double as a lifting aid and tool for pushing this pan underneath the car. I'm not sure about that, given its scanty diameter. Most people in the review section had a similar view and felt the molded-in handles worked just fine. This is also a strong BOI, with customers talking about its lack of flex when full and posting pictures of themselves actually standing on the thing. Pros: holds 5 gallons. Cons: weird metal handle. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.